Tell me how much time you take to make this motion graphics. I think 30 minutes, but I can make it in 1 minute. Open Claude and create a project like Alight Motion. Now, open my Telegram channel. If not, I will give in the description. First, open that my Telegram channel. Wait, I'm opening. Here you can see some files, XML files. Download these 4 files. I'm downloading. After downloading, go to Claude AI again. Now here upload the 4 files you taken. After uploading that 4 files, wait, I am uploading it. Yes, it's completed. I uploaded one extra, okay, I will remove it. Now I uploaded 4th file, okay. Now go to the chart, new chart. Now copy the prompt I given in my channel. Now go to Claude AI again. Now paste this prompt and send. Yes. Now it says I read all files you uploaded. Now it will create a nice database and it said I have read total files. Okay, that's it. Now we should ask to create a XML file for a motion graphics. First, for example, I am downloading one UI image. You can use your UI image. I downloaded that UI image and you should upload it in a new chart, not in the project. Go to new chart. Now upload the photo here, UI image here. Now copy the another prompt from the Telegram. I given that also. Now go to Claude again, paste it. Now send. It will give you a master prompt. Copy that master prompt. Wait, I'm copying. Yes. Now copy it. Yes. After copying, go to the project again. Wait a minute. Yes, again project, again the chart. Now upload the image here. Same UI image, your wish. Now paste the master prompt and send it. Now it will create the XML file. Wait for it. It take time. No problem. It will create a wonderful motion graphics XML file. Until that, install the Alight Motion. If you install, no need. Yes, it created. Now click it and download. It will download. Now open the Alight Motion. I will open it. Wait a minute. Now open the Alight Motion. I opened. Now click the projects. Now click upload XML file. Now upload that file you taken from Claude. Okay, you can see here it created it. It is wonderful. Now I will export. Wait a minute. Yes, now you can see that how wonderful it is. If you like this video, please subscribe and share to your friends. And if you have any doubt, comment it.